Hello everybody, Tammy here, welcome to my channel, and I wanted to give a shout out to our sponsors, or at least the sponsors we have currently. We have a lot of people who are stepping up and donating some amazing prizes for the 2025 virtual Blythe retreat that Terry, my sister Tapping Flamingo, and I will be running this June 20th, 21st, and 22nd. Of course, the grand prize is a stock Blythe doll that Terry and I have gotten for you guys and stashed her away. She's been hanging out in my dolly room up on the shelf, new in box, for over a year. Okay, Fighting Milk is looking for a home. So the one person who wins her is going to be super duper lucky. The way to get a chance to possibly win her is to purchase a pass. You do not have to be participating in anything during the weekend. As long as you purchase a pass, I have a link down below to Quiet You Doll Shop where you can get a pass. If you purchase a pass, your name is put into the pot. As far as the other numerous prizes, which at this point in time as I film this, we have 17 additional prizes available to win. To win those, you do have to participate in the activities during the weekend. We have what we call prize posts throughout the weekend, and we have all kinds of fun activities for people to do, and when you do that, you get a chance to possibly win something. The winners are all announced at the end of the retreat on Sunday, late Sunday afternoon. All right, so some of the people that are donating includes the Etsy shop El Pic Blythe Dreams. She has some adorable downloads, some stickers, paper dolls, all kinds of really cute items in her Etsy shop, and she's actually going to donate 3 items for us, so that's super cool. The Persnickety Pixie, I actually did a video about her beautiful dresses. She's donated 2 doll dresses for us, and I'll have links to everybody's websites or what URLs of whatever is related to them, if they have them, down below. Some people don't have websites and they're just being super duper nice and supporting us. Beth Ramsden, speaking of being super duper nice, not only is she going to be offering a workshop on customization for us, she also is offering a digital pattern to download for free. She has so many cute patterns, and not just for Blythe dolls, so definitely go take a look at BethRamsden.com's shop. And then we have Karen over at Starches and Stitches YouTube. She is a very talented artist and seamstress, and she is going to be whipping up some cutie patootie items for us. And as soon as I get those in my hands to show you, I will be giving you more details about them. And speaking of details, so Tapping Flamingo, Terry, she is running this retreat with me. She is going to be talking to the winner of this particular prize, who gets to help her design a pull charm and earring set for their doll. So that is I don't have a picture of it because whoever wins it is going to work with Terry to come up with something just for them. But if you want to go check out Terry's shop, it's Tapping Flamingo Bling over on Etsy. And then we have Claire, who makes things on YouTube. She is super talented. She makes all kinds of amazing doll items, from sewing to knitting, you name it, this girl's whipping it out, okay? And she hasn't told me exactly what she's going to be donating, but she's just said, put her in, she's going to donate something. So check out her YouTube channel if you don't already follow her. And then Connie Beecher, what a sweetie pie. She's going to donate a $20 Etsy gift certificate. And I love this idea because everybody can use a $20 Etsy gift certificate, right? So thank you so much, Connie Beecher. And then Missi Roeber has put together an adorable outfit. She's got this dress, and then she created shoes and a headband to make it an ensemble, little group of items that are going to go together. So thank you, Missy, so much. Then we have, speaking of fabric, we have a couple of people who are going to be donating fabric. Lisa Stephenson, she's going to have a bundle for us, as well as Beth Trosclair. Beth actually donated last year as well. So Lisa Stephenson and Beth Trosclair, they're both donating fabric bundles. So that's really, really nice. We are doing some sewing during the retreat. So everybody who likes to sew loves fabric. You can't go wrong with that. And then Susan Griffith, she has, speaking of sewing, she has sewn a super adorable Moshi Moshi outfit. And I have it pictured here. somewhere in all of this chaos that I'm throwing at you in this video. And so she is actually going to donate that little outfit that she made. And then finally, I will be donating items, of course. You know, Terry and I, of course, we are donating the grand prize, but in addition, Terry's going to have a pole charm earring set donation. I'm going to be donating a couple of downloadable patterns. I have a few right now in my Etsy shop. I have a third one I'm working on, so it might get done before the retreat. Hopefully, we'll see how that goes. And then I'm also going to be donating a beautiful skein of yarn. So yeah, right now we have 17 prizes, and you know, it's a small retreat, so chances are usually pretty good for people to win things, but it's really not about winning prizes. I know it's all about getting together and crafting and enjoying each other's company, and sharing our love of doll collecting, and especially Blythe. So let me know your thoughts down below in the comments. If you would like to donate something and be a sponsor for the retreat, we're still open to that. You can contact me at my email, tammypowley@yahoo.com. Otherwise, you know the drill. Have a wonderful Dolly Day. Bye-bye.